Hi everyone. Right, what we've got here is a Stickpin book kit, but it's going to be one of those that's padded, and there's a huge, as you can see, that's my hand, a large piece of this 4mm foam, 5mm I think it is. So you're getting that. Jamie's here. Hi Jamie. And she's going to just go through with the bits and pieces that you get with this kit when she gets off her phone. Right, so the fabric first. So you're going to get a large piece of foam, which is good enough for a book. You can make 2 books out of that, to be honest. Then we've got satin fabric, which is the cream. Now, some will get pale pink, some will get shabby pink, and some will get cream. I've only got 6 kits available, and I will put up, and you choose which colour you want. So, hang on. No, they all get that, don't they?
They all get the cream.
Is it? They all get the cream, but this is the shabby pink one. So you're getting that silk. Sorry, satin material. So this is the pale pink one. So you're getting cream, pale pink, and this is the silk. And this is donated by Tatty. She's donated the silk, and it's beautiful. It's a nice big piece of fabric, just so you can see, and it's double. So a nice big fabric sheet. Okay. So piece of silk, 2 pieces of satin. Tatty's also put this in, which is the cream lace. Now, some will, like I say, these are pink, cream and beige kits, basically. Okay, so you're going to get a yard of that. A large doily. Oh, hang on. So, we've all opened that up, Jamie, so they can see. This is a large doily mat. Actually brand new. We found them in a shop, and they've still got labels on somewhere. Yeah. So, if you did half of that, if you fold that in half, and then half again, look, you're quite easily going to get 2 books out of it. So you get that as well, okay? And then these are all the trimmings you're going to get. You'll get the Nottingham lace in the cream, in the pink, and you're getting over a yard of each, and the white. Yeah. Then you get the flat lace, so you can make your flowers. Or you make it out of both, it doesn't matter. And the cream, so you've got pink and white and the cream. You've got some velvet braid. I've put these in, there's just a strip for you to cut up and use. Like applique edging. That's what that is. And the cream lace in that. We've given you these, but you can decorate them or even paint them if you want to do a shabby chic thing. They're just spare, so I thought we'll put them in, and they can be painted white, pink, cream, whatever you want to paint them. They are the crocheted rings. And this, Tatty's made these for the kits, purposely for these kits. Some will get pink, some will get cream, I think some will get white. And what they are, you know, like to hang from the edge of your book. So they're made with the laces that we've added in. Yep. And some ribbons. And then she's also made these with flowers on the end, look. And they are the tassels. You get 2 of those on the end as well. So they're really, really pretty. That's what you're getting. Bows. Okay. Just want to show you that. And then what you're going to get as well, we've put a mixture of beads in. A piece of jewellery each, and some stick pins, and then on top of that you're also getting the pink and cream flowers. Everybody's getting the same flower. Now these kits will be in the store for sale, and I'll put them up now, so go grab them while you can, because they're a great kit and there's a lot of material in there to be able to do more than one item. Oh, did you put that in? Yeah, yeah. Alright, so go grab it now while you can. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now. A bowl of ice. Joey. Oh, look at him crunching that. Yeah, he likes his ice. Nice and cold for him in hot weather like this. Oh, he's enjoying that. He's lucky. Need to get the grass up from between the slabs. You like that, boys? Oh look, my birds are here scrapping as usual. Sat on the fence. And they're having a bath. He's having a right good lick at that. Behave. Get out of the way. Oi.